Disc Harrow. Disc harrow is secondary tillage implement. It is used after the primary tillage. It is used to break the clods developed during primary tillage operation. Disc harrow is used to till the soil where crops are to be planted. It is also used to chop up unwanted weeds or crop remainders. Disc harrow installation. To install the disc harrow at customer end, we need to perform below major tasks. Complete implement assembly, implement attachment with tractor, settings and adjustments, field operation, inspection and maintenance. In this video, we will understand how to attach disc harrow with tractor. First, attach the left lower link of the tractor to the left side TPL mounting of the disc harrow with pin. Then attach the right lower link of the tractor to the right side TPL mounting of the disc harrow with pin. Attach tractor top link with disc harrow TPL. Maintain the disc harrow ground level from the tractor top link. Adjust the tractor right side lower link for the equal lifting of the disc harrow. Adjust the disc harrow swing by adjusting the check chain of the tractor. Ensure 20 mm swing on each side. We hope this information will be useful for you. To get more information or for service support, contact your nearest Mahindra dealership. Our Mahindra officials are always ready to provide you service support. For information about other problems, you can watch our other videos. To watch more DIY videos, kindly subscribe our Mahindra Farm Machinery YouTube channel.